Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. What if investing didn't have to be complicated, stressful, or confusing? What if you didn't need to pick winning stocks, watch charts all day, or constantly worry about making the wrong move? What if there was a simple way to invest in hundreds or even thousands of companies all at once? There is, and it's called an ETF. Let's begin. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. It may sound complex, but the idea is simple. An ETF is a collection of investments bundled together into one. Instead of buying one company, you buy a basket. Imagine you walk into a store. You could buy one fruit, or you could buy a basket filled with many fruits, apples, bananas, oranges. An ETF is that basket, because if one company fails, others can still succeed. This reduces risk. Instead of relying on one outcome, you spread your investment across many. Diversification means not putting all your money in one place, and ETFs make this incredibly easy. ETFs are traded on stock exchanges just like stocks. You can buy them, sell them at any time during market hours, but unlike a single stock, they represent many investments. Some ETFs track the entire market. Some focus on specific industries, technology, healthcare, energy. Others track countries or regions. There are even ETFs for bonds, commodities, and more. They are simple, they are diversified, they often have low fees, and they don't require constant management. You don't need to guess which company will win. You invest in the system. Over time, markets tend to grow, not perfectly, not consistently, but overall, they move upward. ETFs allow you to participate in that growth without trying to outsmart it. But remember, ETFs are not magic. They go up and down. There will be drops. There will be uncertainty. But patience is where the power is. Ask yourself, do I want complexity or simplicity? Do I want stress? or steady growth. Because sometimes the simplest path is the most effective. So take a moment. Let the idea settle. A single investment that represents many, simple, efficient, powerful. And as you continue, you may begin to see how this fits into your own future. And we return. What if investing didn't have to be complicated? That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.